Welcome to the course on Gemini, where we will show you what all Gemini can do and how to design the prompt so that you get the response that you want. My name is Jatin and this course is brought to you by Start Tech Academy. We have over 80 courses on Udemy and our courses have been enrolled by over 1 million students worldwide. Gemini is a multimodal large language AI model which is created by Google, and first it was known as Google Bard, but now Google has changed its name to Gemini. So Gemini has very amazing capabilities. It responds like humans. It can understand the context of the chat that user is doing with it, and it responds accordingly. It is creative and intelligent and so much more. And as of today, Gemini is so much capable. It can do a lot of things like coding, image generation, web search, and a lot of other things. Gemini is being used in many ways. And if you do not learn about Gemini today, you will not be ready for tomorrow. Now, a lot of people think that they do not know about the technology it is based on, such as machine learning or large language models. So they will never be able to use Gemini. This is simply not true. This course will enable you to use Gemini to its full potential without getting into what's happening in the background. So this course is designed for people who wish to learn what all can be done using Gemini and how to use it best. This is a short course and you can finish it by just giving a couple of hours of your life. But once you finish it, you will be capable of using Gemini to its full potential. We will start this course by setting up Gemini and running some basic prompts so that we get some idea of how it works. Then we will start exploring different use cases of Gemini one by one. We'll explore how Gemini can help us in our tasks, how it can help us in job search, how we can increase our office productivity using Gemini, and a lot of other things. Throughout the course, I'll be keep sharing some best practices and strategies of creating Gemini prompts along with examples so that you get better responses from Gemini. There are no prerequisites for this course. If you have any doubts or queries throughout the course, you can post them in the discussion forum. We will be solving all your doubts. So feel free to have a look at the course description and we will look forward to seeing you inside.